typically when I'm making calls or coaching people to make calls, we're working in an IPP, an ideal prospect profile. And I'm getting a very simple email that's a little bit curated to that prospect, but is not a sales pitch, right? It's essentially what we do, 2 or 3 bullet points on the benefits from doing it, and then my contact information, right? Anything you need. I just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. Anything you need in terms of website, driving top line revenue, or whatever the case is, right? We're just having a very abbreviated version because we just want to be able to have an excuse to get off the call and start the relationship. And I'm just going to tell everybody on this right now, if you haven't done this, this is what's going to happen. If you have done this, you know what I'm talking about. When you do call them back a week later, 2 weeks later, 2 days later, don't call them back the same day. That's gross. But 2 days is even okay. They all pretty much say the same thing. Okay? Man, I didn't get around to opening the email. To which you go, no sweat. That's not why I called. I was actually thinking about you guys today, and there's something going. You go right into your insight. So in that email, just kind of tease it a little bit, the benefits of working with you guys. Not salesy. Most important is they've got your contact information. I would even title that email, your name, pipe, or vertical bar, or whatever the hell you want to call it, your mobile, and then the word mobile. It's totally different. Most people are expecting a sales pitch. It's going to say Matt Easton, bang, 720-660-3202. Chris, as promised, wanted to reach out to you personally. Anything you need in terms of coaching, in terms of top line revenue, in terms of either getting yourself or your team ahead of plan in 2025, ahead of schedule, deal me in. It's what I do all day, every day. My mobile, 720-660-3202. That's an example of the email. My website's www.eastonuniversity.com. It can be simple. No attachments, none of that stuff. And you'll be shocked when those simpler emails actually get a lot more responses. Because the problem is when you lay out all the stuff that you do, they read that briefly and they go, I don't need that. We want to have that conversation live.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.